Welcome back to Last Cast, back in France again, and the weather's picking up a bit now. We've had a couple of horrendous days. The first day we fished, I just fished in this peg to see what I could catch, and I caught a few tench, plenty of silvers. And today I fished over there and I had a load of tench on again, plenty of silvers, but it was a bit hit and miss. I kept getting a few carp on, and they were a bit, you know, they weren't massive carp, they were probably a few pound, you know, 5-6 pound or something. But there is some 35 pounders in here, so what I'm going to do tonight, I've got about 4 hours, I'm going to see if we can just work out, see where the fish are. I'm going to use corn again, because they seem to like corn here, and if I get pestered by smaller carp, I might have to up it and put some boilies on, or some bigger pellets or something. But for now I'm just going to put a bit of corn on, one piece, plastic corn, and I'll just show you the setup. Before I cast out, I'll show you the setup. I'm not too good at doing the setup things, but it's just a bit of tubing with a safety clip on, a weight, and 15 pound braid with a bit of plastic corn on. Basic carp fishing this, not any fancy stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some hemp and corn down here, and I'll put some over there, and I'm just going to basically fish there, see if I can get a bite. The only trouble, what I'm thinking is I might get pestered by roach picking the corn up and tangling it up. And we'll see how we go. Get that on the rod pod. It's a while since I've done this. I did catch one this afternoon on the sleeper rod. I've had nothing massive. I don't think I've had any over 10 pound. Apparently there's some real big ones in here. I'll put the alarm on. Put the dropper on. I like these fox droppers now. It's nice and tight, that. Some people don't run them tight, but like I say, I've caught a few carp this way, but I don't really do it that much. As you all know, pike fishing is my main thing. But I have a go at everything else. And it is a tested method, it does work this. I've got an unhooking cradle there in case I catch anything big. I've got some scales and all, but I don't think I'll be weighing any of the fish what the ones I've caught so far, you know, they're only 5-6 pound maybe. I'll get this other rod in. I'll sort of do this video like I do the pike videos. I'll get them set in, bait runners on, I'll have to make sure I don't forget that. And get this one in just out there. You know, might get tench on it, I might get carp, who knows. Just going to keep trickling a bit of bait in, got plenty of hemp. Get the rods in. Tighten the line up a bit before I turn the alarm off. And I'm just going to sit behind the thing because there's a bush to this side and there's a big snag further down, but I should have to pull them back before they get to there. Because that's that one set. Just switch the alarm on. Get the swinger on. I like these fixed ones better with the fox ones. I've had problems with the other swingers tangling up. I don't know if it's something I'm doing wrong. Right, and it's just sitting back and wait now. I might have to, with this video, I might have to put a few together because, you know, they're not right action packed. You're not getting bites all the time. But it's a nice night. And we've got my houses over there just in the corner. You know, it's 2 minutes walk. I'll get a few hours in, get carp fishing, see if we can catch one, see if we can get some bigger ones. Some wild carp in here, I've been told. It'd be good to get one of them. I've never caught a wild one before. Right, I'm into a fish now. I just got to hold it back, stop it trying to go in to them trees. Took a while to get that. Doesn't feel like oh massive. It's probably about the same size as the one we were catching. I were catching on the float. Let's just try to stop it going into the other line. Making a bit of a splash. Just get all my clutch and stuff set right. Not massive, but like I said before, they do put good fight in here. There's some rocks down here, so I've got to be careful. Feel it banging on them now. Just got to try to get it back. Headed towards the snags. It's got to bullet out a bit now. Not sure if it is snagged. I don't think it is. I think it might be bigger than I thought it was. Not seen it yet. Just got to try to keep it away from them snags. Putting a bit of a bending rod. Just got to hold it back. It's going out now, so it'll be a bonus. It's quite a big swirl. I haven't seen the fish yet. I don't think it's massive. It's going for it again. That's a nice common. It's always the commons what fight more for some reason. It's not a bad fish. I think it's probably a bit bigger than the ones that we're getting on float. Take it easy. Off again. It's putting a good show up. I don't think I'd have got this out on the float rod. I think it could be ready nearly. Get the net ready. It's all tangled up. The sun's right in my eyes now, I can't see. Can't see where it is. There, it's in the net. Right, I'll get the mat ready. Just get it unhooked. Yeah, lost my corn though. Not a bad common that. A few pound. I don't think I'd have got that out on the float fishing rod. But we're good, scrap that one. Maybe £10 or so. And we'll get it back. Just put another wafter on, pineapple wafter. I think I've got been throwing loads of corn here. I mean, it looks like corn, it doesn't smell like it. Like that bit of false corn as well. And I think I'm going to change the other rod over to that as well. I'll get it back in the same place. I put quite a bit of bait there. I'll see if I can get another one out. It took me by surprise, it's probably an hour since I put it in. It's taken. Just tighten the line up. Bait runner on. I have to proper hold them back here because they head straight for snags. That one's tight now, and I think I'm going to put this other one back in here. I'll go again, I've got another one on, same rod. Got to hold it back from them snags. It's going for it, this one. It's gone into the snags. Just pull it back out, I lost it. And I think it's actually come out. A bit close to them trees. By the time you get to the rod, I'll see if I can get it out. It's not in the snag, it's heading for him. It's coming out a bit now. It'll get some line back on it. It's well away from the snag. So I need it to go into the middle a bit now. I'm just about to move it. You always, when you're not getting runs, you're always thinking, it's only a small one. Can't believe that. So small, but not so much power. It's only half size of the other, I think. It should come in easier, this one. And it's still got plenty of energy in it. Just let it tire itself out. Yes, what I was saying was, I was just thinking, there's a bait presentation right, shall I bring it in, recast it? And just as I thought that, off it went. I mean, the carp in here, I've not encountered anything really massive yet, compared to what the lads up on the top lake have been catching. They've been catching some monsters. But I'm happy, I'm just catching these now. It's micro, this one, compared to the other. I don't want to give ghost up. Try to keep it away from the other line. It's probably only about 5 or 6 pounds this. I'm not right good at guessing weights. I'll keep it away from the other. These common, I think it's a common, I can't really see for the sun. It could actually be one of these wild carp, this. Have a better look at it when I get it out. Right, I'll set. There is some wild carp in here, and they're only small, they said, but they proper go for it. I'm not sure. It just looks like a common to me, but that's what wild carp are. I'll get the thing set up. I think it's just a small common. I don't think it's one of these wild carp, and it'll be really dark. Only a couple of pound. Let's get it under control. Still got some energy in it. Another common carp, French one. Micro compared to what they've been catching on the top pond. And put up a good scrap. Let's get it back. And it's good to go. It's doing the business, this. A bit of false corn and a pineapple wafter. I'm surprised I've not had any knocks or anything on this other rod. So it's telling me they're all down this side here, patrolling near the trees. And what they do is they head straight for the trees. It can be a bit hairy, you've got to hold them back. I mean, that one felt like a 20 pounder. I think because I don't get caught much here. I've caught bigger ones on the commercial than that. And they put up a quarter of the fight of that. I was hoping it would go a bit of a wild carp. I'm pretty sure it won't. What I might do, I might put this one down the margin. I'm going to check see if there's any rocks there. It's not doing anything out there. And just this other side of this bush feels there's a clear patch there. I'm going to try there and it'd be easy to get the bait in. I'll just try it there because it's not doing anything in the deep bit. We'll see if that's got a bit of a difference. Run around. And get some bait in. Right, so have one more cast. Put it out there, there's no happening in the edge there. It seems to have gone dead. I may not catch any more now. Oh, I got about 40 minutes left. I'll recast this one. I wasn't happy with it, went a bit too far out I think. There's just the risk with them rocks down here. I'll get it there. Get this one on, tighten it up. That's the last cast. Plenty of fish jumping, now a big one just jumped up there. I don't think it's as deep up there, I may try up there tomorrow. But it's looking like I won't be catching any more today, I don't think. You just get that feeling, you never know. Let's tighten that up a bit. I just noticed on this rod here where I got snagged, it's damaged the line. I need to take all that off. And it got snagged on the bottom anyhow. So I think I'm just having one rod out now. All the line's damaged. I should have checked. It must have been going around a branch or a rock. It's damaged the line. Got to hold this one back, keep it out of them snags. Now we're just changing the line on the other, I can feel it on the snags again. Something big down there. I think it's come out. You have to be really careful. It's heading outwards, this one. Now we're just changing the line on, taking some of the bad line off of the other reel where it got on, the last one had gone on a snag. And it's a good job of swat rods, I think. And we've got to take it easy with this one. I haven't seen the fish yet, but it feels like a decent-ish one. Trying to make for them again. Heading to the snags. And keep it up in the water. Not too big. I think I'll probably call this, if I get it out, call this the last one for today. I had a good day. If you've watched the other video, I had quite a few carp, tench. It was just a bit of fun, these videos, while I'm away. Thought I might as well bring the cameras. And these commons fight like hell. I think it's definitely the last one. It's knocking on time now. It's going to get dark in a bit. And just let it tire itself out. Just try to keep it away from them. I think there's probably a big boulder or a branch, something down there. They do fight, these fish. You can't just wind them in. Quite a big tail pattern. Just have to I just have to take my time with it. I think it's going to be a bit, I don't know if I'll fish this peg again here for the carp. It's just too near the snag. And every one I've had on, it's just headed straight towards the bush. It's tiring out a bit now. I like they're on steroids, these. Carp here. I'll make another lunge for it. I think it's quite deep here, so I can keep it up in the water. It's away from all these rocks. I think it's losing a bit of its power now. I don't think I've encountered fish, but they're not too big, but they've got some power in them. I don't know why. Maybe because the water's warm. Another common, I think. Quite a few commons in here. Just don't want to come in. Just move that. Took a gulp of air then. And it's tiring out. It's nice and easy. Let's go and head into the snag again. Make your arm ache a bit, these. It's going down again. Still got that bit of power left. It's coming back. Let's see if I can get it to come up. Took a few gulps of air there. It's in the net. And it's still going. Right, I'll get the camera ready. I'll just move the rod to one side. Right, I'm going to finish on this one. Another decent sized fish. A lot of commons in here. Yeah, so just a bit of fun this video. Don't know what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. But as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see what I'm up to tomorrow or the day after. Let's get her back.